So this is my stash so far. Spent quite a bit of money, but I'm looking to get some more 4-bump Fahrenheit. Nice, good selection there. So I've got the 1.3G rocket pack from Epic, which got quite a few packs of rockets for about £90. And then I brought the Supernova rockets, the Emperor, which is virtually the King rocket, 2 special rockets. On the cake, I've got the Oceanic, the GW164 28 shot atom bombs, Medusa and a Dumbum cake. I've got a pack of Laurenclays, 2 packs of Dumbum, then I have the Power Station 1, 1000 shot silo, 2 extreme proton bursts, Generation 8 19 shot cake, the Royal Party cake pack, the Top Gun ribbon candle, and then I have Tangled Web, Gold Rush, and 2 1.3G cakes from JTF, which are really good. Then I have Beat the Neighbour, which is a quality firework. Got a selection box full of cakes from Fountains and Mines. And then I have the TARDIS cake. So I have quite a good selection so far. Hopefully I will get some more. If I do, I'll post an update. I have spent a fortune.